Hello, I am Dr. Norma Ojeda,
I'm Dr. Lir-Wan Fan.
and we are here to talk to you about those tiny, teeny creatures called germs. But I think I'm about to...
Oh, stop! Let me give you a t-shirt.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Dr.
Very
Fan.
good.
Oh, this is because of the germs, right?
Yes, that's right.
The germs, my goodness. So, those germs are really tiny that if you don't see them, they are still there, isn't it?
Yes.
How you can see those germs?
Oh, I spied on them.
Really? I wonder if in my mask there are some germs.
Yes, they are there.
Can we see them?
Yes.
Right.
So I will be very carefully. I wear my mask and I wash my hand and I use the sanitizer before and after this. And let's go to use the microscope to look at it.
Okay.
So let's place this glass on the stage.
Okay. So that is the stage of the microscope?
Yes. And turn on the light and adjust the objective lens to make it bigger. And you can see from the eyepiece.
Oh, the eyepiece, because are close to the eyes, isn't it?
Yes, that's right.
Oh my goodness, I can see them. They are like a red, blue. Oh my goodness, I can see one with a fan. It looks like it's smiling at me.
Oh, and Dr. Ojeda, now we can transfer the pictures to my laptop.
Oh, that would be good. Let's see bigger. Are those the ones?
Yes, that's the bacteria from your mask.
Oh, so that means that those tiny germs, even if I don't see them because my mask looks very clean, they are still there and they were living in my nose?
Yes, that's right. So, do you want to see the small size?
Oh, that tiny small one that is there?
Yes.
Yes, I would like to see them.
Alright, I just got the picture transferred from Dr. Mary McCall. You can see the detail of the bacteria.
Oh, and that is a more powerful microscope?
Yes, that's right.
What is it called?
It's called the electronic microscope.
So you can see a bigger detail.
Yes, that's right.
This is so interesting. So let's review what we learned here, Dr. Fan.
Okay, first I wear my mask and I wash my hands and use the sanitizer before and after I spy on them.
Oh, okay. So it's very important to remember that even if you don't see them, they are always there.
Yes, that's right.
So washing hands and using sanitizer will keep us away from them?
Yes.
Wow, very interesting, Dr. Fan. Thank you for showing me this. If you want to learn more about germs, visit the Mississippi Children's Museum website on Question It Discovery, sponsored by the Pediatric Department. Thank you.
Be safe and healthy.